with another video, and today's video is I'm trying to follow a Briana Marie tutorial. Yeah, I just love her. She just freaking popping. Okay, like all her makeup be dramatic and popping, like it just be on fleek. Okay, so yeah, we gonna try to recreate a look. Okay, we go to the video. Okay, I'm back with another video. She already started with her eyebrows already done. It is collaboration 8. One more to go, which is number 9, and then we're done. But today we are doing collaboration number 8. So today we're doing a colorful cut crease. You already know I'm going to take this gold with Cool 10 Bath Bomb. The LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to take. Okay, so I have that. I'll take my LA Girl. Focus. I'm gonna take my LA Girl and Cool 10 and slap some of that on this palette and do my brows. I don't know what she used on her brows, but I'm gonna use the Anastasia dip brow. Matter of fact, let me go do all this off camera since she did. Okay, so we got our eyebrows on. Okay, so that's it. Let's see what shade she goes in. We Don't Care palette, and I'm just supposed to go into this color right here. She said this We Don't Care palette on a Morphe 213 brush. Okay, color palette just to be on the safe side. But right now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Soft Glam palette and I'm gonna take this shade out of here, bronze, this shade right there. And I'm gonna use a Morphe M231 and pat that in like she is. Let me see. First transition. Okay, so now she's going in.
First transition color is going to be this orange shade right here. Or I was thinking about going back into this palette and grabbing this orange, which will be kind of like a lighter orange. Let me 504 brush and put this.
Okay, use the Morphe 504 brush. I don't think I got that one.
Right under the brow bone.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in this Morphe palette.
Called Charm.
And I'm gonna pick up this shade right here
On a R37 brush, and my brush is still like
it's the shade that I think
because from the other similar. Y'all remember that one. This red and orange together.
This and this out of that palette.
I'm about to take my navy blue. Y'all already know. That's the only navy blue that I have.
This brush. I'm taking the navy out of this palette right here. Right there. This supposed to be fun. I'm not showing y'all what I'm using, okay? This too much. So guys, I don't know
base
what
like,
she used the white base, but I am going to use my LA Girl and Deep. I have a white base, but I don't really care for it that much. It's kind of slippery and oily and stuff. So let's go in with a brush, a flat brush, and start cutting that crease. So out of this Morphe
yellow shade
palette, she went in with this shade right here.
Inner part of mine.
That's what I'm gonna go in with in the inner corner.
Mint green out of the Super Beauty palette, and this is one.
Okay, now she went in with a turquoise shade. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and start packing it on. I use my Morphe M25 brush to do so. Dang, I think this shade is like way lighter. Yes, this shade is way lighter.
Darker one.
I can get to the.
Once we blend those two colors together, as you can see where it starts and where it ends. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll edit my.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and my fucking full face and foundation and shit.
I actually just ordered some more of these. I didn't order them the first time. She actually sent me some lashes over to me.
I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette.
These are part of my top, let me see, top maybe 3 favorite lashes or top 5 favorite lashes. It's like hit number. I've been loving me some Clarence and Queen lately. Like, I've been watching them. I really like watching them. Like, they dope friends. But I don't know, I like watching them. Before we highlight and
on my
add
eyes,
blush, I am going to use the under eyes first. I want to take this Vivid.
I don't even know what shade she used, but I'm assuming it's that
so we
navy
could have
shade.
used this also to cut the crease, but it's not as creamy as I would have liked it. Excuse my nail, y'all. I know it's broke. I'm gonna go get it fixed tomorrow. Change this color. I want to highlight with these two. This is Bronze and Glow from Ambrosia Cosmetics.
And for my highlight, I'm gonna use Illuminati.
Bakery Glaze highlighter.
Yeah, Illuminati by Artist Couture. She used the loose highlighter and it looks golden, so this one I'm gonna use.
I'm gonna use these two, which is like this orange until cottage.
Out of this Morphe big palette, I'm gonna take this terracotta looking shade right here. This would look like something like that.
For the lip, I am going to do something. You know, I was going to do some bold.
Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all.
Okay.
I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial.
Okay, so lip color. I'm gonna use something out of my Anastasia palette.
And from those two colors. Then to top it off, what I'm going to do is add my
I'm gonna put on some Fenty Gloss Bomb.
What is this? Taraji.
You OD on gloss.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too many commercials in this one. Don't forget to go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget to go subscribe.
So yes, guys, this is the look. We made it to the end of the tutorial.
Video to their channel. So if you go subscribe to them, tell them that I sent you. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.